everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a switch tutorial. So, switch tutorial works like this. So when I click the cat, I mean the screen sounds right, but I use as a cat. Or maybe you can press it on keyboard, but I set it only on sprite. Like when I click this cat over here, the status variable is changed. And I click it again, it's just changed to the same. Watch this video all the way to the end so you know how to make a switch. Let's start with the video. Alright everyone, so I will make a switch tutorial right now and I will guide you how can you make some scripts, something like that. So first let's make a value, or maybe you call it variable, because variable is a value. So first variable, we just gonna make it available for this sprite only, switch. So first variable will be the name switch. The second variable for all variable, or maybe you can switch to a bit, switch to for this sprite only, but I will do for all sprites. So it didn't need to be status, but I will use as status because it's quite fun. Okay, then you can switch it to large readout or something. Right click and then you can select all these stuff and something like that. But I will use a normal readout. Then go to event. When the flag's clicked, look, there's a show here. There's a show, make the character show, so it can be clicked. When the sprite click, change switch by 1. So every time when I click this sprite, actually you can use you can use space or something, but I will use when this sprite click. Okay, so it's changed 1 all the time, so let's set it to 0 when it starts. Okay, so then it's 0. Then next event, so when the flags click, forever, then say if then else. If let's say mod. So what is mod, right? Mod is like divide, but the result will be only remainders. Okay, it will don't be like the result like 2 divided by 2 equal 1. That's not right, but if it's be a mod, 0 mod 2, it will be 0 because the remainder is 0, so that's it. I don't really understand, and like I didn't even good at English, by the way. Okay, so then mod by 2, and then we're gonna set status to K. Oh wait, okay. Let's say on. Wait, let's say 1, and then else will be 2. Then you got it. Easy. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, turn on notification. Don't forget to join my Discord server too, because I'm working so hard on my Discord server. So I hope you guys have some fun with this script. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.